Today we're going to talk about the difference between maybe and may be. These are very similar words in their meaning and in their spelling. The only difference in the spelling is maybe is one word altogether, and may be is two separate words. So let's talk about their meaning and their grammar. Maybe, one word, it means possibly, and it's an adverb. This is an adverb that we usually use before the subject and verb of a sentence. The subject of this sentence is I, and the verb is will see. And we have maybe before the subject and verb. Maybe I'll see you soon. So we usually use maybe as an adverb before the subject and verb of the sentence. May be, two words, is different. We use may be as the verb of the sentence. It's a be verb with the modal may, which means possible, possibly. She may be absent tomorrow. We have subject, she, verb, may be, and then the adjective, absent. She may be absent tomorrow. You'll notice we use may, the modal, with the base form of this verb be, may be. It means it's possible she will be absent tomorrow. She may be absent tomorrow.